Happy video day, guys. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a different video. We're going to be doing a fashion haul. I asked you guys on Instagram if you guys wanted to see some items that I just finished picking up at H&M and at Target, and you guys said yes. We're going to do this. I usually don't do too many fashion-esque type of videos on my channel. I do have one other one that I did towards the winter time, so I figured now that summer is approaching, it's kind of a good time to show you guys a few little things that I picked up for the summer. So I did grab a few cute things and, you know, like to be able to combine with other items to really make some fun summer looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys everything I picked up. So as I show you guys the items, I'm also gonna show you guys a try-on of them because I think those are usually pretty helpful. Yeah, so I've got my H&M bag right here. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna dive into it. I don't know if I'm gonna switch between H&M and Target, I'm not sure. Now I will tell you guys, I tried on so much more stuff than I picked up, and that was pretty disappointing. I don't know what it is, but I was not like in love with a lot of the stuff that I was trying on, and I was like, what's going on? So actually, you know what? Let's start off with the first thing. So the first thing is what I'm wearing right now, and this is a bodysuit from BCBG Generation. This is the only thing I picked up at MACYS. There was a MACYS along the way, so I stopped in at MACYS really quick, and this is actually the only shirt that I picked up, and it's a bodysuit, so it's really comfortable. I actually really like bodysuits because then I can wear them with jeans, I can wear them with shorts, I can wear them with skirts, and I don't have to worry about them untucking all the time. And this one just reminded me so much of summer. And then it has these little sleeves. Like, these sleeves are awesome because I have a really small torso. I don't have like a long torso, so they come off. So that is really good. Anytime that brands have like ties like these, I really love them because I can actually make them fit me really good. So I'm gonna pre-warn you guys that my size changes in every single brand. I'll let you guys know the size that I'm wearing, and I just want to let you know it's gonna be all over the place, just so you know. This one actually is an extra small. So this shirt here was $68, but I got it on sale for $47.60. I think it's because it was the last one that they had. But so if I'm able to find any of the products I'm showing you guys, any of this clothes, I'm gonna link them down below. But yeah, so this one was on sale and I got it for $47 from $68. I love this shirt. It's so comfortable. I like the fact that I'm gonna be able to dress this up and dress it down. I'm gonna show you guys, I tried it on first with a skirt, just like something longer to kind of make it look more nighttime. Then I threw on a pair of orange shorts because there was a lot of orange in this, and I thought, oh, that would be really cute for like the summertime, for a summer party. And then finally with jeans because I wear jeans a lot. I love jeans. I actually don't wear shorts as much as I wear jeans. I'm always in jeans, so I love the fact that this is going to be easy to wear with jeans. And yeah, I love this shirt. The shirts was awesome. So let's jump first into H&M, and then I'm going to show you guys Target. So at H&M, I got another bodysuit because I think bodysuits are in or something because they're all over the place. I got this one right here. So this is just a yellow bodysuit, and you see it has the ties on the bottom. This shirt also has the ties on the bottom. It looks just like this. So then it has these little ties here on the bottom so you can clip it. And I have a small, and these are $12.99 at H&M, and they have so many colors. I honestly think I'm gonna pick up more colors because, you know, usually I buy like one to see if I like it, and if I like it, I buy more. And this fits super comfortable, and it's really cute. So for the try-on, I'm putting it on with a pair of jeans so you guys can see how it looks with jeans, and I like it a lot with jeans. And then also I put it on with these other cute little shorts that I'm actually gonna show you guys right now. So this is like a short skirt that I got also at H&M. So let me show you guys this one because I love this. This is so cute. So it looks just like this. It's a little short skirt. So it's a squirt. A squirt? Is that what it's called, a squirt? Or is a squirt the one with the thing in the front? I don't know. But whatever. It's short skirts. So it looks like a skirt, but it's really short, and I love this. This is so freaking cute. I love it so much. This was $34.99. I guess I've never really bought an H&M bottoms before, but I didn't realize this, but I'm a size 6 in H&M, which I've never been a 6 before in any other brand, but yeah, I'm a 6. Usually I'm between a 2 and a 4, and in H&M I'm a 6. So it's not made too much for Latinas. So if you got hips, you've got to go up a size. So this is like that, and it's so cute, guys. I love this so much. In the try-ons, I'm pairing it with the yellow bodysuit. I also think it would look really cute with a cream bodysuit or a black one. Oh my god, that would look so adorable. But it does have a lot of yellow in it as well. If you guys can tell in the pattern, there's little yellow marks in it, black, there's beige. It's so cute. It has orange. So then I also tried it on with a shirt that I got at Target that I think matched it so cute. So this shirt, I just tucked it in, and I think it looks really, really, really cute tucked in and a little bit flared on the top. It's a little bit of a higher neckline of a shirt, so it kind of allows for your legs to kind of be shown off in the skirt and not show too much. So I kind of like it paired more with the Target shirt than I like it with the bodysuit. But at the same time, they're both really cute options, and I like them both. So yeah, this is adorable. And they have a wrap skirt, guys. I'm gonna link it below. I'm gonna buy it, but they didn't have my size. I definitely needed a small in that. I believe I was gonna need a small in it, but I don't even know in H&M if I would be a small or a medium, but I think I was gonna need a small in it, and I couldn't find one, and I was like, no, they only had larges, and this skirt is so beautiful. I'm gonna link it below underneath this one. It's the same pattern, but it's so freaking pretty, and I couldn't get it because they didn't have my size. But I'm gonna order it online. So, all's good in the world. Okay, so let's jump into, did I get anything else at H&M? Oh yeah. Then I got this really cute little shirt. Like, this is just a cute little white shirt. I mean, I don't even know if you're gonna be able to see it with the lights, but it has these little ties on it, and it's just a cute little plain white shirt, and I just thought it was cute, and it retailed for $9.99. It was $10, and it's a size small. It's not the best material, you can tell, but it's good enough for the summer. So I just really thought that this would look really cute with shorts, and I thought it would just make a really cute combo, and also with jeans, and it's kind of really cute. The only thing that I will tell you guys is it's a little bit long. Like, these sleeves on me, because I have a small torso, these sleeves are a little bit long, so I'm gonna have to hem them in a little bit so that, you know, it goes higher in the front and it doesn't fall and show my bra. So I'm gonna have to fix that, but I figured that this shirt is very simple to fix, and for $10, it's like, oh well. You know what I mean? And that was actually everything I got at H&M, and that's only because I didn't have that much time in the store. And it's funny because when I walked into H&M and I was like, oh my god, there's so much stuff. But then once I got past the front, I was like, well, where did everything go? You know, like, it was like the front had really cute things and then the back was kind of like boring. So those are the only things I was able to grab in like the 15 minutes that I had in H&M. But I really like the stuff I got. Now, Target, I was at a little bit longer. I tried on more stuff, and I had more failures at Target. I was like, I can't believe this. I don't know, a lot of the fabrics were really thick and they just didn't look good on me. And a new trend that's in right now are those really high-waisted pants that are really thick and flowy. Those look terrible on me because I'm short and I have a short torso. So I tried on like 10 of them to see if any of them would work, and none of them worked. So let's talk about what I got at Target. I did get some cute stuff. So I got this cute little sports bra at Target. This is so adorable. I actually wore it today to work out. So the sports bra, this one was $19.99. Like I said, I'm gonna link it below, but this one's only $19.99. It's a really, really cute sports bra. It doesn't have the most support in it, but for what I do, I don't really do like high impact workout. I just do like a lot of like weights and stuff. So I think that this is gonna work really nice for me. And I wore it today, like I said, and it looks really, really cute. And it's only $19.99. So I picked that one up and I actually really like it. I wore it today. I'm not gonna show you guys me trying it on because I'm sorry, I'm not somebody who can show a sports bra. I'm not at that point with my body at this point for me to stand up in a sport. I don't think I ever will be, to be honest. Now, these are cute little workout pants. Now I'm gonna show you guys these. I love these. These are so cute. They're like capri, and I love this color. It was so pretty. It called my attention. These are from Target, and these cost me, these were $27.99, and they're super comfortable. I love, 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 love these pants, and I love this pattern, and they look really, really good on, and I really like this. So these were a total win. Honestly, I think I like the leggings even more than I like the sports bra, and the sports bra is really cute, but those leggings are so comfortable, and I love them. Now, I don't know if you guys saw in that little try-on sneak peek a shirt that I got at Target, and you guys know I like Game of Thrones. And today is actually the end of Game of Thrones. Today, this Sunday, which I'm gonna probably put this up on Sunday, is the last episode ever of Game of Thrones. So I had to go ahead and buy this. This says House Stark. If you guys watch Game of Thrones, you know what that means. And I saw this at Target and I was like, you know what? I better buy this now, because once Game of Thrones is done, they're not gonna be selling like Game of Thrones merchandise. And I watched this show for so many years. I wanted to have something that said something about Game of Thrones. And this says House Stark. I love the Starks. Jon Snow is like one of my favorite characters, even though I'm not going to tell you guys any spoilers, but I still think House Stark, if you guys know what I mean. So I really like House Stark. I think it's so cute. This is an extra small and it's $14.99 and I love it. Super cute, super comfy, and actually looks cute. It's a cute cut, so I like that. So then let's move on to the shorts that you guys have seen. Now these are really short, cute shorts. Now I don't own shorts, any shorts this short in my collection, but there was so many shorts out now that are super short and they look too short, and I didn't want to go too short because I'm not somebody who likes to wear like really short shorts, you know what I'm saying? Now the thing I like about these is they're high-rised, like they're kind of high on the hips, but then they kind of go up in the front, and in the back they're covered, you know what I'm saying? So for me, these are acceptable short shorts. They're not like cutting off so that, you know, parts of your body are sticking out that is not flattering to be sticking out on anybody. So I think that these fit me really good, and they're so cute, and they, you know, they button up in the front and they're high, and I think they're adorable. I got a size 2 in these, so you guys can see how different the sizes are between H&M and Target. So I'm a 2 in these. Typically I'm a 4 or a 2, and these I'm a 2, and these were $17, so they're not that expensive. So I thought these would be cute for like a barbecue, 4th of July or something like that. Maybe not to go to the mall, maybe not to like go to Publix, but it would be really cute for like a barbecue or something like that. So that was cute. So then I'm going to show you guys this cute belt. I picked up this belt at Target. Oh my god, this belt is so pretty. Look at the pattern. Isn't that such a pretty pattern? And then it has this brown in the front. So I really love this belt. It looks really cute with the jeans. And I like these a lot. I love this belt a lot. So the belt, it's $16.99 and I really like it. I like that it's white and black and it has the brown, and I think I can use this belt a lot, so I got that. It doesn't have that much stretch to it, so definitely pick a size that you think is gonna fit you good. I got small and the small fits me good, so just, it doesn't have like that stretch, you know, that you would usually size down. It's not like that. So then I'm going to talk about probably my favorite item that I picked up at Target, and I think I'm going to buy like a lot more colors of this shirt, and you guys are going to see why. So this is the shirt right here, and you're going to see that the shirt doesn't look like much, like it's just like a really pretty taupe colored shirt, and it's long. The fabric on this is so comfortable, like it's delicious, and it's from A New Day. I got a small. There was an extra small, but I like to get small because I like to tie them, and I'll show you guys. So if you guys can see, the shirt itself just fits really good, even loose. Obviously when it's loose, you have to wear something that maybe you could see the bottom a little bit more because it's a little bit on the longer side, but it has like that loose that it doesn't stick to your skin. So maybe if you're not in like the best of shape, this is a really flattering shirt on you. Now what I like about it is if you want to like spice it up a little bit, this shirt ties so perfectly. So if you guys can see on the shorts, what I did is I tied it once to the side so you guys can see how cute it looks tied to the side. And because of the neckline and everything, it works really good with the tie. And then you can also tie it to the front, and this fabric ties so good. Like this fabric is stretchy, so it's not like one that's gonna get ruined when you're tying it. So that was really cool. I like the way it looks tied to the front too. It looks really pretty, and I also like it loose. So I really like this shirt. It's super universal. Like I said, I paired it tucked into the skirt from H&M, and I loved it like that. I loved it tied to the side with the shorts. I'm also gonna really like putting this on with jeans, so I'm obsessed with this shirt, and I'm buying more of these. Like if I were to say like the one that I think out of all of these to buy more colors, it would be this one. This is super good. And how much was this? This was $8. Why didn't I buy more of this when I was there? I will get every color in that shirt, like after we film this. Guys, and then I forgot, I did get something else at H&M. I'm wearing jeans that I got at H&M. So the jeans that I'm wearing right now, I got at H&M. These. Aha. I'm gonna show you guys me with them on, and I love these jeans. These jeans are super comfortable. They look really pretty on. They're tight in all the right places. They're really tight in the bottom, so they're skinny jeans, and they fit me really good. So in the H&M jeans were $19.99, so it's $20 for jeans. That's insane. And these jeans fit super good. I also got a size 6 in these jeans, and they fit me really good. So I'm typically a size 4, so H&M I went up to a 6, especially for the jeans and the shorts. Anything at the bottom I went up to a 6 and it fit me really good. And Target, I'm typically a 4, I went down to a 2, and everything that was a 2 fit me really good. Now, like I said, I'm kind of like fluctuating. Some brands I'm a 4, some brands I'm a 2, and some brands, usually I'm never a 6, but in H&M I am. So now this is the last thing that I got, and this isn't for me, this is for my baby Lexi. Look how cute this is. I got this at Target. Oh my god, I fell in love. This is a 3T and it's 10 bucks. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? Oh my god, she's gonna be the biggest diva ever. So yeah, guys, that is my fashion haul. Those are all the things that I got for the beginning of summer. These are just a few small pieces. I have my eye on a few things from Zara that I really want to pick up. I guess just got to get myself down to Miami to check out my Zara, because there's so many things that I want to buy from Zara, and there's a few other things from other brands. Like, I honestly, this is just the beginning of my summer shopping, because I need to get myself back into the swing of things. I am starting to work out again. I'm trying to get into better shape. You know, baby weight is almost 100% gone, so yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this summer haul. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like any of the things I picked up? And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. If you guys want me to do more videos like this, let me know below, and then maybe when I go to Zara and pick up some stuff, I'll show you guys that too. But anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.